girl. Hello, my little boy. Hi. Hi. I love you, you love me. We are a happy family. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hello, my little girl and my little boy too. Do. I love you and you love me. What you doing out there? Hi. What you doing in there? Hello. Hello, my little girl. Hello, my little boy. Hello. Hello. Yes, hello there. Hey. Your mum is here, your mum is home, and your mum is slowly getting back to it. Yes, she is. After everything that's happened, I'm letting go and I'm smiling again. Yes, I am. I was smiling now, but I was crying earlier, wasn't I? Yes, I was. Hey? Just like your apple? Yeah, your apple, your spinach, and your broccoli. Yes, correct. And your broccoli. Yep. How about I get you some more? All right, let me turn this off and I'll go get you some more. So this is what the birds have. Half an apple, de-seeded of course, some spinach, broccoli and carrot. And of course on top of that, they have their seed and any other treats like millet. Come on. Here they come. In for the kill of the vegetables. Sussing out what they have. There we go. Within at least a minute. John Jones in the back there enjoying his carrot. And Missy down here is enjoying her carrot too.